Okay, so here's my rendition of the Academy of Natural Sciences. Obviously it's not to scale, but I made my own little changes here. Like we have a nice water feature on the ground floor. Here's the main entrance. Here we have the 19th Street entrance. Made sure everything is accessible. Here we have our security desk. Here's just a nice view of what the inside looks like so far. We've got our stairs going up to the first floor, and we have our butterfly elevator, which actually goes all the way up to the 4th floor. If you're not familiar, the 4th floor is staff only, so you would stop at the 3rd floor. Here's our 1st floor, our special exhibit, our changing exhibit. And here is our butterfly exhibit. Make sure you shut the door so the butterflies don't get out. Though there aren't any in here right now, I still have to catch some. But it's shaping up pretty nicely. Alright, that's it. Thanks for visiting my rendition of the Academy.